I made a statement yesterday, and since morning, so many persons have been sending me series of messages and posts made by so many bloggers. But I think it's very, very necessary for me to clear this, as I made a promise yesterday. I ought to do this today, as I promised. First, many bloggers takes advantage of any utterances you make, especially when you are in my position. So many persons may misinterpret it in one way or the other, the way they like. And I've received calls, chats from even those people who believed in me. Let me say believed, because it seems many has lost confidence in me, and I just want to clear them a bit. My statement yesterday, I was supposed to direct it clearly and straight to Ogechi, and there was no need placing it as a shortcut in order to get at her. But I was supposed to put it right, but trying to avoid members of the DSS there, so I equally made another big mistake, of which family members, friends, many people, they've called me and asked, Governor, why this? And it seems the gang of Ogechi, many of them are now trying to hook on that to get her freed. And many persons have said to me, Governor Eziokwu, step out of this matter because of that statement, not because Ogechi is innocent of the main thing that led to her arrest. As I said before, yesterday I said I felt for her kids, and I would wish she goes back to them. And I maintain this particular ground. If I can beg for Ijele's release, I think I can also walk out of anything, especially when it is necessary. First, I want to apologize to my dad, to my ancestors, to my uncles, and to my maternal and paternal home people, those who fought for the total liberation of Biafra during that time. I want to apologize to them because there was need for this. And also, lastly, before I'll continue saying what I ought to say here, I also wish to apologize to the IPOB family. Governor Eziokwu is not against you. And I never said that you are doing the wrong thing, because self-determination, I am a politician and I'm standing on my ground to tell you that self-determination is your right. Even in the Nigerian constitution, in the Western world, and in Africa. So only a fool will be against that, because I am not a daft person. I know the truth and what the truth ought to be. Then there are also protocols that deserve some good observations. If I am against you, I wouldn't have been at the court severally agitating for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So I was supposed to have faced Ogechi squarely and not making a statement without even completing the sentence the way it should be, and not dangling it because I was trying to be careful of one way or the other. So, first, let me say this clearly. I was supposed to stand my ground that Ogechi Njaka, after the launch of the announce of ESN, Ogechi created or stood on her page, of which she presented an account which does not belong to the IPOB family, and used it to raise funds for herself. And after which she started speaking against IPOB, of which I have never done. I have never done. And I'm going to show you one little evidence where Ogechi did that. Many people were on me, let her go because of this, because of this, because of that. I've heard in Igbo. For the sake of the respect I have for you all, I had to think and sleep over this. But I want to show you this particular video and I want you to watch it.
I'm sorry, they tag you a terrorist group. You're still behaving like one. Despite that, people say you are not. But you're still demonstrating it. Who are you? Leave every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth.
Just listen.
Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute.
This is Ogechi.
I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra. He's not going to get you Biafra. Yeah, then when he has signed it. Okay, let us believe it.
Just listen.
Was I? Am I a fool? We must go there and cast our vote to share this video. Tag it to Kagen and Mother. You guys are something else. How the heck are you? Because you are in IPOB. You want to order every single Igbo person not to vote? You dare craze? Are you mad? I mean, here before with every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth. Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute. I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra. He's not going to get you Biafra. Yeah. And calling. Share this video. IPOB members, we're on our day. The IPOB members of all IPOB members.
This is the same woman. Now listen. Before she started making this video, before she started coming on live broadcast and started fighting against the IPOB, do you know what? She first came online, used her own generated account details and was collecting monies from Undibo. She did this thing severally. Today, she and her group, they are trying to sort for sympathy because I closed my mouth. Because so many persons, they were on me. People were on me. I said, allow me speak. Many people were saying, don't. So because I did not complete my statement, it depends on the person on that camera because I didn't post that video. It was those people around us because some bloggers were there. And if you watch me, while arrest was being carried out on her, I didn't use my camera to video her. I didn't do that. I respected myself and the law. I never presented her to camera. I didn't present her to camera. I respected myself because I knew I was going to stand to prosecute her. And there's no two ways about it. Now, I have not done this kind of thing before all my life. The same person, people are mounting pressures on me right now to let her go, that you have made a wrong statement. My statement is that she used IPOB's name to raise money for herself, she and her gang, and she ate that money. Did any all of you forget that on that time people were making videos saying that you are not an IPOB member? Why are you collecting money from our people? Videos are there. She did this thing severally. To some extent, have you ever seen where I made a video and at any point have you seen where I made a video and opened my own mouth to discredit Nnamdi Kanu the same way this lady has done? Have you ever seen Governor Eziokwu try this kind of nonsense before? Please watch. This is what I was supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
Sorry, they tag you a terrorist group. You're still behaving like one. Despite that, people say you are not. But you're still demonstrating it. Who are you? Leave every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth. Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute. I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra.
So have you seen Governor Eziokwu make this kind of statement before?
Okay, let us believe it. Was I am I a fool? We must go there and cast our vote to share this video. Tag it to Gagan and Mother. You guys are something else. How the heck are you? Because you are in IPOB. You want to order every single Igbo person not to vote? You dare crazy? Are you mad? I made it before with every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth. Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute. I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra. It's not going to get you Biafra. Calling. Share this video. IPOB members, we're on our day. The IPOB members of all IPOB members. Ndem na fife no de ala. Fana afuya na opu na elu nkwu. Where is Ife? Where is Oluchi Lloyd? Where is Mizi? Chimamanda? Where are you, boy? Just
okay. Now, well, let me check. Let me check for something. There is one page I used to follow on Facebook. I've read from this page severally. Let me check if I can find this page. Because these people, these are some of the people who were busy then making posts. I don't know if I can find that page. I don't know if I can find that page. This page. Just hold on. Give me some minutes here. Let me check. There is one page like that. This page, I used to watch. I can count 3, 4, 5 persons then who were making videos, if I can remember their names, who were making videos that time saying, Onya aburo an IPOB member, why OJ create, why OJ would account, na nego. Now, Nandi go. You know, somebody said to me, don't go live, don't do this, don't do that. I thank you for the respect. A lot of people said, I saw different posts that time. I think one of the pages, one able as the Hot Biafra TV. Check his old post then. This man was one of those people countering him. Well, let me check the page. Check with me. So many pages that I cannot remember all, but I know I can remember one. I see the Hot Biafra TV that time was one of those people who were busy echoing it online. No, na egunde mmadụ wayo Ogechi and egunde mmadụ wayo that time. Did she become a saint as at yesterday night that she was arrested? Well, let me check if there is a way I can reach out to this page, if I can get it. Well, let me check. Trying to see if I can search the right page, then I show you guys here. Okay, go to this page. I think it's this one. That time only. That time my mom will be 20,000 followers or thereabouts. But I think it should be this one now because one of the 62,000. I see the Hot Biafra TV. This person spoke against it that time. It should be this page. It should be this page. Go and check. Check most of his old posts. You will see where he posted severally. Ima, mbase ankete. This evening, since morning, the so-called sympathizers of Ogechi had gang because of that little error I made yesterday that I never cleared. Many of you know me that Nchikwoku Magu, I must check, calculate. Are you listening to me? I wish I can get one or two persons now on page that time that can testify to this thing. I borrow on this social media. But I can vividly remember this page. Even one other page or two pages. Even this guy page and Biafra Unity. Biafra Unity. He equally that time made post against Ogechi. Go and check. Severally. No, hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Governor Eziokwu. Chere, on TN alive. Should I? Okay. You want to join me? Send the request again. I will accept it. Okay. No. I've not seen any request here. Anybody can request to join me. Emma. Ndo to Ogechi feel that I'm daft. Hello? 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 Yes, my name is Governor Eziokwu, and I'm on live section. I'm on live section. Okay, go ahead.
Say,
Ogechi mepere that Facebook account. After the Facebook account, I hope.
Oh, you say after the Facebook account again?
Biafra, my home.
Or the page, original and go that time. Hello. Oh.
Yeah,
go ahead.
That time ago, created that page. Biafra, my home. At that time, use that page.
Network
Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes, go ahead.
As a Cambidonese, the name of that page Ogechi they use that time when I raise that money. Biafra, my home. Are you listening to me?
Okay.
At the end, Ogechi take that money. 2 years ago, January, I think, first week or second week, Ogechi now change that page name to Current Affairs.
Okay.
The pictures of the Mumado. When I say Nandam na Roma, about that page I go to where and sort of a doing it.
Okay, let me get now. Does that page still exist now?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, send it. Please help me send it to me on your WhatsApp, okay?
Oh wow.
I can check and know exactly the name, the date and time. She changed all the names of those pages she was using on her own. Yes, go ahead. All right. Okay. Hello, sir. I've added you. Okay. Hello, I added somebody here. Go ahead, sir. Hello, I just added somebody here, please. Hello? Yes, I'm on live section. Okay. Yes. Okay, sir. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Okay. I can check and know exactly the name, the date and time. She changed all the names of those pages she was in. Hi. I'm going to add an Okay. Hello, sir. I've added you. Please, somewhere add the can you talk or you go out and come in again? I just added somebody here, please. Keep on adding here. I'm on live section. Oh. So please, did you get the truth that this lady personally once used her account, imposed herself to be in charge, and she raised the money and swallowed the money on her own? Is Ogechi Njaka not a fraudster? Is she not? Can you talk or you go out and come in again? Well, let me see if I can get this evidence. I need it. So between me and she now, who is lying? Didn't she create a page? From time to time, she changes the name and she uses it to cash in.
Biko, Biko Ndibo, please forgive me for that statement yesterday because I did not complete it. Hapu Krela no Anyi no Ogechi Njaka in particular. Please. Allow us and Ogechi, allow me in particular with Ogechi Njaka. There's no need putting pressure telling me to step aside. Many great people I have around me, they are so much angry with me. Except I explain to them like this. Many of them have explained to some of my close friends, those abroad and all that. Many of you are not even from my community. Many of you are people I also met on this page who understand me clearly. Please, please, please. Let me humble this person. I beg of you. Our ranters, our small ranters, small bloggers here. They are still talking. They started talking because they saw that they went and fetched your sympathy. They went and fetched your sympathy so that through your sympathy, pressures can be on me to step aside. That is what they are trying to achieve. It's not as if Ogechi is not against you. And I'm not telling you that I'm killing her, and I don't do that. What I'm telling you is lessons will be taught so that she may learn. Has Ogechi apologized? Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, Ndibo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table. Please, right as at today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy sorting for calls, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral. So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media. Ogechi on social media. Did you see me share that video? I have conscience. Because I don't want to be guilty. I don't want to be guilty of same ignorance of her. So my highest mistake so far, my highest mistake as at now is that utterance yesterday. So please, woman, put this one aside. Governor Eziokwu, the way I live my life, not because of their comments, not because of their comments. It is because of the respect I have for you, the respect I have for my ancestors, and that's why I have to apologize to you and clear the air. So please, woman, please allow me and this lady. Those women, she provided that their nude picture. Do you know that if this lady had come into this country silently, and do her things, even make video that she's in Nigeria, before God and man, I swear with the grave of my mother, if at all I turned and say, the Chukuna weapon tom. But did you saw on a live video that same day ne kwoku ne ajiami ni tinyi shabagi kanchi onya ha gaba kanchi obo onyocha that person obo onya Hausa that person obo onye China obu kunu abuku imi umu Igbo ka na threat ni. I know many of you knows that that girl is very, very rude and does not have Onya will big auntie. No, they can't me to be a mate. Now me they tell you. I know that all of you are angry because of that my mistake yesterday. Please, umunnem, happen no munonya, happen no munonya, hapukra no munonya. Beg, I know what I'm doing. Hapukula no munonya, happen no munonya. Oh no, now what can he be a habo fool? Never about my mother and my father. Over my father had in charge. So when I got there, the holy land of Philo neutralized and they make noise. The other bingo, Eziokwu me pronia because no forgot that, all forgot sympathy, you know. Forgot sympathy, you know. He only knew now. My cannot forget sympathy, he was making video. He had a made to that is follow you to run for elections. And he's not saying that I ran for election and I did not win. In his local government, he has never run for local I mean, youth leader in his kindred. I don't know. By the way, what's my offense against him? Did I run elections in his place? Why is he bitter? Why are they worried? I am not worried. I didn't beg them for support. I didn't solicit. They don't even have PVC in Imo State. I know that your anger was that statement. Please forgive me and allow me and this lady to dig ourselves. Now all of you are saying that I'm fighting a woman. Thank you. There is no problem. Before. Or if Uberu one. Hold on, please. While she was making those utterances on the social media, she never cared. This lady alleged different things on people. Did you see me out of anger? Did you see me out of anger go about searching the whole social media? Nobody can say that Ogechi Njaka about a toilet. I'm requesting for that video for 1 second. Now, all of you giving me command. Those people, and we're not Runadi, and we're only now put as at October, November. Okay, negotiate on social media, women, people's wives, the same sisters of ours. Did they apologize to that? Inclusive of these younger people, bloggers who are on the social media space, who has wives and children in their houses. Now, if I thought she had come to Nigeria, did you know people that put her in trouble? Did you know the people that triggered this thing? Those are the comment section. On that day, many of you will observe that it was at night. I drove myself. I went with my people to Nnewi. I was at Akwa Ibom. I left Akwa Ibom. I drove from Akwa Ibom. The moment I got into Imo from Owerenta, that was where I started making that video. And that video, I never said anything, but I was passing a signal because I was making my speech there that I'm going home to eat. That was how I moved. moved. The Ezugo making videos today, still ranting and talking about Governor Eziokwu. I was at your place from that night till around 7 to 8. The next day, after arrest, I still slept in your place. You couldn't do anything, but because of that my little mistake yesterday, you now saw that our people started reacting, knowing fully well that Ndibo will not be happy with me over that. Please, all of you listening to me, Ndibo, you have wife and kids. You have wife and kids in your house. I am too sure you know how will you feel? Ogechi met some women, maybe many of you don't know. Ogechi goes as far as on the internet sharing people's family, children pictures on the social media, tagging them in bedside, tagging them one thing or the other. Go and show me one video where I tag the children in bedside. Go and show me one. Show me one video where I showed somebody's nude picture on my page. Show me one. Even when she was bullying me, even when she was calling me ex-convict, even when she was saying, do you know, check people's pages. There are places. There's a lady, I'm forgetting the name of that lady. Anybody who knows that should tell me the name. Just inbox me, my number is here. Ogechi opened her mouth and said that now ask for her on camera. Imagine. The same Ogechi said that Nande kidnappers promised guy kidnap for J-Pack. The J-Pack with 100 million naira after his wedding, 300 million after his wedding. Show me one. I said as at 2 months ago on live camera, she was still showing married women's nude picture. Did she repent yesterday? Somebody said all video is in POJ. So did she change now? Did she change? Hello, my name is Governor Eziokwu. Hello. Let me call back this number. I need somebody that will give me that details. Somebody should help me provide that video. You know, because I kept quiet, they thought they've arrived. They thought they've arrived. She knows how to recruit her likes. All of them started making videos as of today because they've seen loophole of sympathy and they want to capitalize on it. But let me share from this data. It's like I don't have data here on this particular. Hello, my name is Governor Eziokwu. Good evening. Good evening. I'm on live section, please. Okay, I should put it on loudspeaker. Yes. It was anger. Yeah, I'm on live section, man. Should I put it on loudspeaker, please? So our general public will hear what I'm saying. Okay. It's on loudspeaker.
Okay. Good evening, Governor Eziokwu. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Why are we all making it? Why are we all making it as if she cannot be a citizen?
Oh my God, network. Hey, can you hear me, ma? Go ahead.
Can hear you.
Please go ahead. Go ahead. The phone.
Why is Ogechi's own different? They did not arrest Ogechi to kill Ogechi. Ogechi said any day, anytime she's been called or she's been arrested, that she's going to come with her proofs. Why are we not allowing her to present her? If present everything and everything is good, Ogechi is good to go. And there's something that's all on the. We should push sentiments aside when things happened. We should not make it look it was Governor Eziokwu and co that arrested Ogechi. Ogechi has a lot of problem going on. That they were there to apprehend Ogechi does not mean Ogechi, that they were the one holding Ogechi. No. What is holding Ogechi is above Governor Eziokwu and co. People holding Ogechi is more than JPAC. Because you people saw them on post on social media when they went to arrest. It doesn't mean they were arrested. Can we all tell ourselves the truth?
All right.
Ogechi came into Nigeria for the mother-in-law's burial. Is she not supposed to go to Newu with the husband? The husband is alone in Akokwa preparing for the mother's burial. Is she supposed to be? Nobody is killing her. Ogechi will be out. Ogechi will be free by the time she presents her whatever she has to herself. Stop push sentiment aside. Please, nobody is above the law. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, now drop a number here. And I think I'm them mother saying with you. Hello. Yes, good evening. I'm on the live section, sir. I should put it on loudspeaker.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, Governor. I'm naked.
Can we know your name and where you're calling from, sir? Is it possible? Because people will ask.
I need to go before na Lagos. Can you hear me?
Okay.
The airport. For one certain time. Issue makam.
You want the issue, Maka Onye?
First go.
Huh?
Photo on. But only today go boss.
Network.
All of a sudden,
You see, go to motor Naka Onya have read the motor boss. Oh, let me take another call. Hello, Governor Eziokwu is my name. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm on live broadcast and this phone is on loudspeaker.
Yeah. Please, I just want to ask you a very simple question, and I don't want you to feel disrespected by this question I'm asking you.
Okay.
Please, no disrespect to you, and this is just my own view. Now, I could hear you when you said Ogechi did this, Ogechi did that, she's been doing this, committing so many crimes, having this. Now, I'm asking you, have you not said anything to Ogechi before? It's just a quick question.
I never woke up one morning and started bullying Ogechi. I've never done that.
But
Okay.
if you called her, because you know I used to follow you and I used to watch you.
Yes.
And now, if you want to condemn so many things, I want you to be very fair. You said your name is Governor Eziokwu.
Yes, go
I
ahead.
want you to be very fair.
I will.
Very honest with yourself.
I will.
Now, if you said Ogechi has been abusing people, it's true. I accept that part. But I want you to watch back. Do you just think that this lady sits down and she just insult people? What about people also doing the same thing to this lady? Have you also come out to condemn all those things? Don't tell me you're not seeing things that's going on online.
Okay,
Don't pretend here. Yeah. Even your friend.
Can I answer you? Talk about me, sir. Talk about me.
Okay.
Talk about me in particular.
I've seen you.
Now, can you tell me the beginning? Can you tell me what happened in the beginning? Because I think many people have these questions to ask.
My brother, listen there. You know one thing I know about you, because I'm also your brother. I'm from Oberia as well. I'm your brother. You understand me? I have so much respect for you. The way I look at you, I see you as someone that has a very good prestige. That's what they call respect for women. No matter what a woman does to you, there are some things you don't need to respond to a woman. But for you, no matter what this lady has done to you, you went as far calling her names. I've heard you calling her prostitute, calling her. You said so many things, my brother, which I expected you to ignore. I know you can ignore no matter what this lady has done to you. I definitely know you can ignore as a man. But I think you did not act up in that aspect, because I mean you're honorable, you're going for a political position, there's so many things you're pursuing, and I did not expect you to really go into conversation of argument with a lady. Now looking at why I'm
Okay.
You know, no disrespect to you.
No problem. Feel free, sir.
Yeah. If I was you, I swear to my God, I will ignore this. I will never, because of the position you occupy, you will never come in contact with this lady. You just do your thing and will be. Because like, if you get pressed, it's down with the level you are, but to exchange word of mouth. Only a prostitute, so have a house, my brother. You know the way women behave. You know you handle your woman. The same way you treat your wife, the same way I expected you to treat.
Okay, can I? Okay, sir. I want to ask you a question here. Can you remind me the very first and second time Ogechi started calling me an ex-convict? What happened? Can you remember, or should I tell you?
Yeah, she has done. Like I said to you, I did not say she did not do any of these things to you.
Okay. Do you remember how? Because I kept quiet and I listened to you. Can you point out how long she did that thing before I even?
So many.
Thank you very much for saying so many times good night before I responded. That's one. Hold on. There's this caller I've seen your call severally. Let me pick this call. People will tell you to keep quiet, even to the extent when I was being tagged an ex-convict by Ogechi, and you're telling me to keep quiet for the sake of my position. No. If I start taking much calls, hold on, let me call back this particular number. Hello, good evening. My name is Governor Eziokwu, and I am calling you from a live broadcast. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Yes, good evening, sir. My name is Governor Eziokwu. I'm on live section.
Okay. Put it on live speaker. I want to speak to the world through your channel.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Introduction. My name is Mazi Obaleze Chukwubikem.
Okay. You're welcome.
I run the page called Aside Hot Biafra Television.
Okay, you saw that I mentioned your page now?
Yes, somebody called my attention to that, so I have to come and listen to you because I'm following the event as it unfolds. So I want to specifically speak on a particular issue that attracted my attention to this program today.
Okay, sir.
Good. And I want to speak to Biafrans, IPOB members through this here channel.
Okay, sir.
I want to separate corn from chaff. Anybody that is listening to this program this night, be it Igbo, be it Ijo, be it Ishekiri, be it Urobo, any part of Biafra land that you are listening from, or Biafra part that you are from, I want you to listen to me with a neutral mind. Neutralize anything that is in your mind and pay attention to the things I have to say here. I don't call on people's program anyhow, but anytime I pick my phone to call on any program, I know that it is worth it. Eziokwu, your name is echoing and reverberating with truth. And on that note, I want to speak the truth, because on my platform, I say, as it is hot, and so I talk.
Okay, sir.
I am not here to talk about the saga between you and Ogechi.
Okay.
Neither am I here to talk about the saga between Ogechi and the JPAC. I am here to clear some informations that Biafrans across the globe should get hold of. Because I have watched closely and I have seen that you have been in Abuja. 3 good times I saw you in Abuja with JPAC. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case is called upon, you have been there. Not 1, not 2. At least I have seen you 3 times or 4 times thereabout.
3 times.
3 times, thank you.
Yes,
so I paid attention to every happening in this struggle that have taken the life of our people. And you know, so many people have died in this struggle, and for that, emotion is highly attached to a lot of things happening in our land. So when I see people who are broadcasting, who are bloggers, that shows interest about this man whom God has given to us, that so many of us did not appreciate, I want to get closer to know who those people are. And you are one of them that I've seen that appeared. Now, having said that, that is my interest. If you have never gone to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case or talk about freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and anything is happening, maybe you mistakenly say something against the struggle or against the people of Biafra, then I will have my way of responding to you. But haven't seen that you have shown positive interest. You have won twice and 3 times to use your money, pay for your flight, go to show solidarity.
Yes.
To that savior of Ndibo and Biafra in general, called Mazi Nnamdi, because he is our savior. The man that stands between the gap of evil that want to befall us. That is Mazi. Now, I watched what happened when you people went to arrest Ogechi Njaka, and I saw where the attack is coming to you, because you made a very big blunder. You put in here, and that don't hate all people. You are not perfect, and nobody is perfect.
Yes.
Imperfection has been the genesis of creation, because nobody is perfect. That is why even God himself later said, according to the Bible, those who believe in the scripture, that he regretted creating man. If the Bible can teach us that God created, that means, does it mean that God made mistake? I don't want to go into biblically to explain what I want to say here, because I'm very, very bitter. I'm very, very angry. Seeing what Ogechi Njaka have done so far against Ndibo and against Biafrans. So my interest here is that once you made that statement, I say, hey, Governor Eziokwu, I want to win another. Mana, all mad people, you made mistake, but you made mistake. People will understand. Some people who doesn't understand may not understand. But the truth is that I'm here to separate chaff from the corn. And I have heard you say you are sorry, 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 you are sorry. Indeed, I have seen you showing that sign of remorse that you are sorry for the wrong utterances that you made. But I want to put it correctly to the people who cares to know that Ogechi Njaka has been a criminal. You may not have the information fully as it is, because you mentioned my page, and yes, indeed, in my page, I have spoken about Ogechi Njaka different time, 20 times, because she wanted to use IPOB to scam the people of Biafra across the globe. Immediately, Mazen Namdekano set up Eastern Security Network and announced it. Ogechi Njaka thought it was an opportunity for her to make money, because Ogechi Njaka is like a vulture. Ogechi goes where she eats the rotten, or should I say, the dead animals. That is what Ogechi does. If Ogechi is coming to you, make sure that Ogechi must get something out of you. So Ogechi used that opportunity to use her personal account to be asking people to donate money. So when you make that mistake, I was kind of thinking, was this what this man is trying to say? That Ogechi scammed our people, use our account to collect money from our people from in the name of IPOB.
I was highly angry and under pressure.
I am not speaking for you. I am speaking for myself. This is my opinion, because I'm a man that looks things from different parts, from different ways, and I want people who are listening on this platform and people who are listening to also see it from their own perspective, that you have been there for the release of Mazi. You have spent your money to go for the release of Mazi. So if there is any reason why you will say such a thing, something must have happened. And there is something again that is attached to you, which is talking about the freedom of Chukwuka of Ebu, known as Ijele.
Yes,
I want you to pay attention. I will use this opportunity to advise you and to settle one or two things here. That man you see, you are asking for his freedom and whatever, has taken the life of so many of Ndibo. Are you aware that there is a video footage of Chukwuka of Ebu at Barrister Ichukwu Ejofor's house the day they came to kill Barrister Ejiofor, and people, the community was burnt down, houses were burnt down, somebody was burnt alive. This day to Barrister Ichukwu Ejiofor they put him inside the car and burnt him alive. There is a footage of Chukwuka on the video leading the people that came on that operation. Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
I know you are not aware. I know you are not aware, because if you are aware, you will not even have the courage to talk about free Chukwuka Kofebo. Chukwuka Kofebo have threatened to kill so many people, and they have been killing people. So if there is any attack that is coming to you because of that silly mistake you made, it's a silly mistake. I call it silly mistake. You have to stand to continue to apologize to our people, to understand and to clear yourself, to let them know that this is not what you meant. Because looking at you, for you alone to go to Abuja in the name of naturally standing for Mazen Namdekano freedom alone, I credit you, I give you Nike.
Thank you.
You are not doing it because you want to get followers, because anybody who wants to use Mazen Namdekano to get followers, Facebook clear their page easily. That is the truth. So it was genuine the way I see it. So, but because of this mistake, Chukwuka's name that you are asking for your release, looking at what he has done to our people, looking at the number of people that have died because of Chukwuka, looking at the damage that Chukwuka have done, looking at the number of houses that have been burnt down in Imo State, in Anambra State, in Enugu State, in so many places because of Chukwuka. My brother, after this program, I want you to go and listen to this, my word, on your page once again, to know the enormity of what Chukwuka have done. The weight of what he has done. So when you are getting people attacking you, saying so many things against you, being the people that maybe their house has been burnt, or their mothers have been killed, or their brothers have been killed because of the activity of that Chukwuka you are asking for his freedom. If they are attacking you, know you that it is you who doesn't understand the crime that Chukwuka have committed that is attracting people to say such a thing to you. If I come out today to make such statement and say, okay, I'm sorry, it's a mistake, nobody will attack me, because they know already, they know where I belong. So when you're going to see Mazen Namdekano, it's not everybody that saw you, it's not everybody that knew that you used to go, but me, I follow up everything sequentially, and I knew that you were honestly, sincerely doing it from the bottom of your heart because you care about the man. Now, I want to land somewhere now. Ogechi Njaka was indeed a criminal who used IPOB and ESN to raise money for herself. Because number one, Ogechi was never an IPOB member. Number two, Ogechi was never authorized to raise any money for IPOB. So that area where you were talking about raising money, yes, it is true. She raised money in the name of IPOB. And she used the money of herself. And that is why people like me came out to tell her, enough is enough. You can never raise money in the name of IPOB, in the name of ESN, for any reason, because you are not a member, you are not a registered member. That is why when you are playing the voice note, the video of Ogechi, after we attacked him, he failed on that mission of trying to extort money, of trying to steal money from people in the name of supporting IPOB and the ESN. She now felt disappointed and began to attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directly and indirectly. So, listening to you, I put one or two together. I'm a man that I think perspectively. I don't think just direct. I knew that this is where what this man wanted to say, but out of anger, you blew it by saying other things, which you have apologized for. Now, do you know that the same Ogechi went and carried Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife's picture, put on her wall, where somebody wrote all inhumane things against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife? All insult in this whole world. Somebody wrote and Ogechi put it on her wall, and people were commenting. I saw it. I told Ogechi, 24 hours. I attacked her. I said, 24 hours is what you have to pull this rubbish down. I don't care about who writes it, where the person came from, but you have been in the blacklist of IPOB. Ogechi have been in the blacklist because already we know as a criminal who wanted to use IPOB to do what? To steal. Who wanted to use IPOB to siphon money from our people. So now, for you to carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife to put on your page, what I'm talking about now happened in November to December.
The last November.
Yes, this last November, December. You carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's picture, white picture, put it on her wall, and she wants people to be watching the woman. So when I was listening to what she was saying in those videos, I said, oh, now I understand that my instinct never lied to me. I know now that my instinct never lied to me. So I gave her ultimatum. I said, if you don't bring it down, then you will have the indigenous people of Biafra's anger to contend with. Immediately she read that message, she brought that picture down and now posts Mazi Nnamdi Kanu picture and call him Odo. So the girl is a snake, he's a serpent. Ogechi is being manipulated, he's being manipulated with a very bad spirit that when she's talking, it's not Ogechi that is talking, something is speaking through Ogechi. So my brother, I want you, this your apology, to be focused upon. Whatever you want to do with Ogechi, once you clear the air and our people understand your stance and what you meant, not that you want to speak against the struggle or whatever, then take yourself out of the case of Italy. I'm giving you this as an advice now. Focus on whatever you are doing with Ogechi and don't bring IPOB into it.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll be. Thank you, sir.
Yes, 1 minute. Let me land. You know, when you say IPOB simply means indigenous people of Biafra. Ichiyu Madabuchi is one of them. All the governors that are kicking against the struggle are all IPOB. But to be a member is quite different from being born as an indigenous person. And I want you to know on this platform that you almost should know that right for self-determination is enshrined in the Nigerian Constitution, is enshrined in the African Union, is enshrined in the European Union Constitution, is enshrined in the United Nations Constitution. So what we are doing is to liberate ourselves. What we are doing is what United States of America did and got their independence from UK and got their freedom from UK. What we are doing is what so many other countries did, and today they have their freedom. So it's not a crime. So anybody who is associating IPOB with crime or anything, that person will have you herself to blame, especially when you are coming from the same world where we are fighting to save you, and you are now coming to this us to give us a bad name. It is not acceptable. So I want you to understand the two things that makes people to give you this kind of hate you are getting now.
Okay.
Separate yourself from Ijele because Ijele have killed so many of our people. Then if you want to deal with Ogechi, don't bring IPOB issue into it. Me, I have seen the good parts you have played before now by going for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, standing even before the DSS and police and everybody. You stand saying solidarity for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you want him to be free. Only that one alone, I am giving you as mark. So what I'm trying to say in a nutshell is case. But for Eziokwu, with Eziokwu Njaka, don't listen to anybody that will tell you stop Ogechi case. Don't attack Ogechi. Don't do this. Whatever you want to do with that, do. But
Okay.
just take anything about IPOB out of it.
Thank
this
you,
is
sir.
my advice. So go ahead and say what you want to say.
Thank you, sir. I so much appreciate, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. There is, let me call this wonderful man back. Let me call her back from Abuja. I don't know if she actually knows that I'm on live broadcast, and she has called me many times. Yeah, they can answer it. Oh, so much. Zelen Kenga. Hello, ma. Good evening, ma. I'm on live. I'm on live section. You're watching me. Okay, I should put it on loudspeaker. Okay, okay. Okay, it's on loudspeaker, ma.
Okay, hello, good evening, everyone. The lady speaking here is Miriam Justice, Miriam Shiro. And I believe many of you are not online. What has been going on there? Bank, in fact. So the thing there is Miriam Justice is behind Ogechi's arrest. All this while she is behind Ogechi's arrest. So I want the world to know, I want everybody to know, like I said, Ogechi, she has done a lot. But the one I'm supposed to say here and I'm not supposed to say here, all I know is Ogechi Mekodoro is only justice. Gekpe Ogechi na umumatu. Mando filiri megidere ya na mandi yawa megidere is only justice Gekpe. So Ogechi's arrest, Mariam Justice is the one that arrested Ogechi. So I am telling it to the world today because I've been silent, I've been quiet. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make a video by tomorrow or next or whenever I choose like making it. But I just wanna use this podium that I'm here. We are all here. We are one blood, we are one family, we are brothers. Igbo ebe ọbụla unu ube nwanne gị ga-epụta like we love our land and to protect our land because we love Ebanyị Siwepụta. But all I'm going to say to the world today is Miriam, she is behind Ogechi's arrest. So I want everybody to know that.
Thank you, man. Okay, the woman who called me now, her name is Miriam Justice. I have a number in my phone, and we've been in communication. Yeah, it's not new. People would like to insult her. This woman also has a case against Ogechi Njaka. Before I moved that day, on that particular mission, I had to inform her.
I have to inform her. And if you see, that arrest was made up of teams. And they get why. Different people, JPAC, Auto, because he laid complaints every corner. All right. Then I led. The only mistake here was that particular statement. And I do apologize. Because happen Ogechi ko face ya bam bam. Happen Ogechi because ndị Igbo. Ayo mon. Happen Ogechi ko face it to bam bam. If not for your sympathy, the other Okoko na-aga asụmmiri ma ọ na-ekwu okwu came out to talk because they saw your sympathy. Without your sympathy, without that statement, even this madam blamed me for that statement. Almost everybody blamed me immediately. Everybody blamed me. All of them, including Onye Akporona. Onye ọbụla blame Governor. Why? Control your anger. Control your anger. Everybody blamed me. It's not for that statement. So when they now saw that that was a point for them to cash in, they moved. Enya, you see this kind of comments? Well, let me block you. Ifani, let me block you. You say you're sorry for my family. I just nail it. So Bikondibo, forgive me for that statement. Hapokola nani. Kamono Ogechi. But Ebusuru get the Biko. Now me lead. Oh, I want to end this video. Hello? Yes, good evening. Mm. Mm. Yes. 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 Mm. Mm. Yes. They are not, sir, should I put it on loudspeaker? Should I put it on loudspeaker? Okay. Go ahead.
So I'm thinking that now this could be an opportunity now people want to in Nigeria. When an opportunity we will deal with move near. Because I ain't going to now why I'm going to go to you want to go? My everything and the so many people put your people account. My people go how I can't count them. Hey, but I'm just putting it too. Considering I was that. When people go to put you in the past, I'm going to remember the past. No one has that. on send this about given the idea about Facebook. No sense. Because for so many people. Then now you are already given now who are fast. Well, we are fully and close with my support. How do you know you put my comment section? Because that will make things worse.
That's what many of them.
Yes, I was able to do with paper, and I was happy with that move. You can't continue making moves we are now for peace. Let's take advantage of this opportunity to unite in the people and when peace talk. And when this peace talk, I think anybody that people. Over there, can get the control of Muna and the around that Saga. African Saga, people here. All I do is all the people to security, another form of security. We can't really have it yet. And I people by another level. Because they tell me what to do.
How in the comment section when they tell a problem?
I'm going to tell you what is that. All so take advantage of this opportunity and call for peace talk. Every peace talk will be guilty. All you know that your apology. You don't know. You want to go? Then you should be let go. All have their own book, let's take that order. See, after you do the same to one of the Facebook, take for any time. The right saga in the future, going forward. Okay, saga and then two when the man in comment section, I'm going to create the online security that I need, which is saga now. It must be stopped. All the body that must step up to stop saga on social media. All the things, all friends, from the back.
Okay, and that one. Alright, this is where I will stop, but let me block somebody. I'm with one person after get to go community. Person has commented before. I want to go on the person. The fake accounts. Alright, it's late. There's a video I should have played now, but I don't want to play it. I don't want to play it because I've not concluded with myself whether to play it or not. Hello, Governor Eziokwu is my name. Open this water. Hello, Governor Eziokwu is my name. Nah. Yes. I'm on live video. I am on live video. I am on live video and I'm on live video. Wait, let me check and block us. Wait, let me block this person who is commenting that I should leave Southeast. No, wait. Target a comment 4 times and block one. Yeah. So I just hold on. I'm on a live video. Can't watch it. You're calling me from London, right? Even if I should put it on loudspeaker. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, Governor, it is very important for this present generation about teaching us the natural things that can take us far. So all these people na eme and so many others, don't look at them so that these people are to the enemy of Igbo land in the name of mistake. My brother, through your petition against the woman about the allegation of Obogi, do not come to secure everybody. You actually you wake up with a food to I see petition on what the Nina comment and now Ogechi will level now send them will release bad news about you, which God will not allow. Please, you are too important for us. How about those people they only need your attention. Kamana life he can respond to their own. Apart from Ogechi, there were so many topics in a release.
Onye abụrụ topic to me self.
Bro.
Sa
Esugongi a little while. There were many things in a cousin Maro. I don't know na on a Biaganan Dukiko or ye just they make egota. There were so many things in a cousin. So many people on our practice privately. But go on, Malo. So let these people know divine your attention.
No problem. They matter. Like Asnam the wicked, Asnam the naturally wicked, bro. Because Ebem register my own case against Ogechi Njaka. Even till now, Emery arrest. I'm telling the gospel truth. Go and ask. Even till now, Emery arrest. Agabem say move my own case file to Ogechi no. Say MSB at that particular case, and even in that place I'm on in zone 13. In zone 13. Already before now, I have a petition against her. They are dated before now, but I never invoked that. Go and verify this thing I'm telling you.
The only issue, people want to use a common comment which somebody could. If Ghana all the social media and I just forgot for only that little brief praise, keep away from the people, the evil. So it is too important and it is extraordinarily busy for such thing. So that is why you will say open all the possible. Or you cannot, a good fighter don't win every battle, and every good dancer know how and know when to leave the stage. You have tried your best to tell the girl that you can do it.
Sir, you will again. To tell the gospel truth, somebody borrow here. When Ijel arrest in the beginning, you see, I was happy, but after some time, Obi Masem Hapo just wept Obi, because before God and man today somebody told my dad, why are you always young? Yeah, I say because I am a happy person. I didn't put mad in Obi. Yeah, my father said that in the honor too young because no day put mad in Obi. Oh yeah, I'm happier. With time, Obi Ngagwapam just Kupuronya. Let me tell you one thing. Normally, Nigeria. Before God and man, no tangible reason. And no batara no where believe you me. No batara no where.
I know he commented that thing. He commented. This is third time he commented this. Not by Polo, not without going.
You know, go see me talk to them. A man that's a problem, man. One aleka. One. Imanonya na put on a camera now. One walkie, but I'm walking now. Na live camera. Other men.
This
oh God.
This person ain't topic to hold. When you want to 30 minutes topic to hold, you got to send them money. So it be extraordinarily busy to keep your time. When some certain go back to your pages. Open a people. Open and deep when I value mado. A level I get place again. I mean, our system is not working, and also our mind is full of evil. We only pick mistake. We don't pick so many things I learn from the person. Understand? Our politicians name because they try to put that mistake at the beginning. Use it to wicked us. But
wait.
It's secure our own.
While you continue, let me block this person.
Okay, look at somebody about politics. On your own, you decide to come and secure so many things, mistake if one in your community. Then now food does not count. Somebody
before God and man, brother, before God and man, if I travel back home, till tomorrow morning, I say that the court decided, I say recall the election, may win in here live camera can now I have 2,000 persons watching, 2,000 something persons watching me. Even with hope who's of them might be, I will win him and win anybody who will go ball.
My brother, you need what this thing now, but people will be at half year hagasi or half year record. I'm a full follower of your gossip. Your gospel, the too strong, even with distraction on the way.
No problem.
So because you na your people, you gonna come down by na odia hanacho. Because this mistake na na enwebu onye na adabela ado before. But why our people is taking it personal? Is it ndị be anyị na-eweta ihe ọjọọ tee ya ude ọ na-acha ọcha? Onye ama na ihe ọ na-ekwu n'ọnụ dị evil. Onye ama na enweghị ihe na-esi ya n'ọnụ apụta bụ ezigbo ihe. People is trying to see this person ngwa na-ego ụzọ anyị esi wee correct ka iruo delete all these things. They went back and picked the wrong information. So my brother, any na-ekwensu chance.
No problem.
Because make use of this opportunity and leave them.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Man, umunne, up on that side. See, this is our sister will be forgiven. No, what do you need? Man, no be by. No be by capacity. Go, hello. Yes, good evening. It's Governor Eziokwu. Somebody put on say. All right, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let me appreciate my fans. Umuno Lilanya, good night to you from here. Let me go home. Just at the gate, I have to drive in and sleep. Who is there? Governor Eziokwu is my name. Governor Eziokwu is my name.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you.